How to fix camera not working in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it not latest, update your software latest. After updating, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so remove the camera protector lens. So after remove camera protector lens, so clean with the help of tissue paper. After cleaning, you will check your camera is working properly. So if it not working, so click the power button and volume down button at the time and power off the phone. After restarting, enter phone passcode. You will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, click on general. Now here click on transfer or reset iPhone. So click on reset all settings, enter phone passcode, click on reset all setting. It's just reset all setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the restarting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix camera not working in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.